Welcome to our guide on how to view notifications on Discord for PC following the new update. Discord is a powerful tool for communication, and keeping track of notifications can enhance your experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to discordapp.com. This is where you'll access your Discord account. Once you're logged in, you're just a few steps away from managing your notifications. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. Next to your user picture and name, you'll see a small settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on that settings gear. This will take you to your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. This contains various options for managing your account and personalizing your server settings. Now, keep scrolling. What you need is just a bit further down. Once you spot notifications, click on it. This section gives you complete control over how you receive notifications on Discord. You can toggle different options like receiving notifications for direct messages, mentions, and more. Adjust these settings to suit your preferences so that you never miss an important update or message again. And that's it. You now know how to view and manage notifications on Discord, helping to enhance your communication experience with friends and communities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting on Discord.